unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Cough syrup often contains dextromethorphan, which blocks your brain's cough center to reduce coughing. Some syrups also have stimulants like caffeine or pseudoephedrine that boost alertness and ease nasal congestion. These ingredients help you feel more awake and better fight cold symptoms. Always follow the instructions to avoid side effects.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.